Here we are at 4/115 Bank Street in Eastwick Park. Nice deep single car garage, timber look floors, gas bayonet, NBN connection and an old in-wall aircon. That's your view out this way. It's the third bedroom. Kitchen, gas cooking, fridge nook, bedroom number 2. Standalone toilet, bathroom. Bathroom is also accessible through to the master room, which is definitely the largest of the rooms. You've got a mirror sliding built-in robe over there. Nice view to your backyard and the train line. Laundry. And this is your backyard here. Storage room as well. Definitely fit one car in here. There's a light as well, and then the second car could be parked just here.